Hello and welcome back to Chatterbox English. I'm Elena.
And I'm Pavel. Today, we're dealing with the people who share your living space, directly or indirectly, your landlord and your neighbors. Navigating these relationships in English is crucial for a peaceful home life.
Absolutely. It's about being clear, polite, and knowing when to be firm. So, Pavel, let's start with a landlord. Imagine you've discovered mold in the corner of your bedroom. It's a health hazard. What's your first move?
I shouldn't ignore it. I need to report it officially, probably by email to have a record. But what's the right way to phrase it without sounding accusing?
Start formally and include key details. For example, Dear Landlord, I'm writing to report a maintenance issue in the property at your address. I have noticed patches of black mold forming in the top corner of the bedroom near the window. As this can be a health concern, I would appreciate it if you could arrange for an inspection and remediation as soon as possible. Please let me know how you would like to proceed. Best regards, your name.
That's very clear and professional. It states the what, the where, and the why it's urgent. What if they don't respond?
Give it a few days, then follow up politely. If still no response, you might mention your rights under the tenancy agreement. Now, a different scenario with a neighbor. The person upstairs plays loud music every night after 11 p.m. It's keeping you awake.
Going straight to the landlord feels too harsh. I should try talking to them first, face to face.
Correct. The approach is key. Don't confront when you're angry. Choose a calm moment, maybe the next day. Knock politely and say, Hi, I'm Pavel from apartment 2B downstairs. I'm sorry to bother you, but I wanted to mention something. The music last night was a bit audible in my flat, quite late. I have early starts for work. Would you mind keeping the volume down a bit after 10:30 p.m. on weeknights? I'd really appreciate it.
That's good. I start by introducing myself, state the fact without blame, was audible, explain the impact on me, and make a clear, polite request.
Exactly. You're not attacking, you're asking for cooperation. Most people will apologize. But what if the problem continues?
Then I might need to escalate. I could send a polite but firmer note, and if that fails, report it to the landlord or the building management as a noise disturbance.
Yes, the landlord is responsible for ensuring your quiet enjoyment of the property. Let's practice the first conversation with a noisy neighbor.
Knock, knock. Hello?
Hi.
Hi, my name is Pavel. I live right downstairs in 2B. How are you?
Oh, hey, I'm Mark. Everything okay?
Yes, mostly. I just wanted to mention something quickly. I could hear the bass from the music or TV last night until quite late. The walls are a bit thin, and it kept me up. I was wondering if you could maybe lower the volume a little after 10:30 p.m. on weeknights? I'd really appreciate it.
Oh, wow. I'm so sorry. I didn't realize it was that loud. Of course, no problem. I'll use headphones or keep it down.
Thank you so much, Mark. I really appreciate you understanding.
Perfect, Pavel. You were friendly, specific, and solution-oriented. That's the best way to resolve neighbor issues. Now, what about a positive interaction? You want to ask a neighbor to accept a parcel for you.
That's a great way to build a good relationship. I'd say, Hi, I'm your neighbor from number 5. I'm expecting a delivery tomorrow, but I won't be home. Would you be kind enough to accept it for me? I'll come and collect it as soon as I'm back.
Lovely. So, to summarize, for landlords, be formal, document issues in writing, be clear about the problem and desired action. For neighbors, be personal, polite, state the impact on you, and make a reasonable request first.
It's all about clear, respectful communication. It prevents small issues from becoming big ones.
Exactly. Your home should be your sanctuary. Using these English phrases helps you protect that.
Thanks, Elena. This is genuinely useful for everyday peace of mind.
You're very welcome. Here's to good neighbors and responsive landlords. Thank you for learning with us.
See you in the next episode of Chatterbox English.